Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, for some of you who don't know me, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys my moisture routine. So last week me and my girlfriend retwisted my hair, and I just went to my mom and she just put some braids in it. So I'll turn around so you guys can see. So she just put some braids in it for me, and this is how I'm rocking it for right now. I think I'm giving my my locticians a break just because I know how to retwist my own hair. It's just kind of like laziness. Like, me and my girlfriend, we can do it. And so I think I'm gonna start doing my own hair, and I'm just gonna have to start coming up with some styles, because as y'all can see, my hair is long enough for styles. Like, I have a little bit of hair, but it's good enough to like get into something. Like, this is just a cornrow, and I'm satisfied with it. So this is my moisture routine. I literally only use 3 products on my hair. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So I have the pups in here with me. This is Layla and Ray. Come here, Ray. This is Reagan. So say hi, everybody. Okay, baby, thank you for kisses. I gotta make a video. No kisses, no kisses. Don't do kiss on face, no kiss on face. Okay, so look at Reagan's face. Okay, so one of the products that I use, okay, Lay, thank you, baby. So one of the products that I use is the Santa Cruz. I don't know if you guys remember, but I made a video on the Santa Cruz, and I told you guys that's what basically got my hair to lock faster. But I mixed the Santa Cruz with my rose water, and I just made a video on my rose water. I don't buy rose water anymore because I make it, but I mix the 2 in a bottle and I just spray it all around my head. And I do that probably, like, I try to do it twice a week, but I normally do it when my head is starting to itch. When my head is starting to itch and I'm like on the go and I don't have time to like oil my scalp, I'll just spray the Santa Cruz and the rose water in my hair, and then like when I have time to oil my scalp, then I use the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils E-Blast. It has vitamin E, flaxseed, and yeah, this is what I've been using for my whole lock journey. And all of you have been asking me, oh, your hair is growing so fast, what are you doing to it? No lock extensions. I know I talk about lock extensions a lot, but I would have told you guys if I got it. And plus, I'm not spending money for lock extensions this short. So if I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go all out. So this is what I've been using, and I think this is what has also gotten me to the length that I'm at, like, so fast. I use this a lot as well. So if I'm not using my mixture, I'm using my vitamin E oil. So it's one or the other. But today I'm going to be using this because I've been on a workout journey, and I have to make it. Let me look at my time. I have to do my arm workouts today. So I'm kind of behind. So today I'm going to be using this just because I'm behind on things and I don't have enough time to really get in like I want to. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go with this today. I think I'm going to go with this today, and then like in a couple days I'm going to use that. But yeah, so we're just going to use this. Let me get a towel to cover up my bed sheet because it's going to spray everywhere. Ooh, this feels so nice. So that was it for my moisture routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of simple and it's not as crazy as some people's moisture routine. I try not to use too many products in my hair. I'm also still learning my hair. So right now, those are the only products that I'm using in my hair, and I'm hoping that it remains as simple as it is because I don't have time for like 10 products a day. Yeah, if I have to, getting chopped off. It's like, no. I'm hoping that it remains that simple. Do too much crazy stuff, but I'm only using 3 things so far. And as far as me retwisting, I use Eco Styler. There's a new Eco Styler out, and it's like a gold Eco Styler. I'll try to insert a picture here so you guys can see, but so far so good. I'm still learning what's good for my hair, what's not good for my hair. So you guys can leave stuff in the comment section below and help me out. I need a shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm using Dr. Bronner's, which is not bad. It makes my scalp feel nice, but after I'm done washing, I still feel like my hair is dirty. So maybe, I don't know if maybe I'm not like scrubbing it good enough, or I don't know, because it makes my scalp feel nice and tingly, which is, I love that sensation. So if you guys can find me a nice peppermint one, that would be nice. Or I don't know, maybe I'm just not washing it good, like I said. But yeah, I need something else. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys soon.